In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Emperor in Basketball Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Emperor is a miracle rarity style that you can acquire in Basketball Zero. So go over to these styles and you can find it under Miracle. These styles have a 0.25% chance of dropping or 2% at the lucky odds. And one of them is the Emperor style. This is a versatile set of offensive tools designed to break down enemy defenses, create opportunities, and score with absolute certainty. Your foundational space-creating move is Emperor's Dribble. This is a quick two-step dribbling sequence, often a double between the legs that allows you to perform a sharp zigzag maneuver. Use it to unbalance your defender and create the initial opening for a drive or a pass. The next ability you have is Dribble Dash. This immediately follows a successful dribble move and allows you to burst past your opponent with a quick dash. This is your primary tool for capitalizing on the space that you created, allowing you to drive directly to the basket or reposition to an open spot for a three-pointer. Your ultimate pass is the most unique ability in the Emperor's arsenal. When you pass to a teammate, you can temporarily dominate them. By tapping the ability button again, you can force them to take an immediate quick release shot. This gives you unprecedented control over your team's offense, turning your teammates into your pawns to victory. Furthermore, any pass made with that ability provides a significant boost to the receiver. And finally, your Awakened Offense Emperor. The ultimate offensive ability is that when your Awakening is active, the move guarantees a point. Upon receiving the ball, your character will perform a series of unstoppable, ankle-breaking dribbles that leave every defender on the court helpless, culminating in a decisive dunk or a shot that cannot be stopped. You will have some defensive abilities in the form of Emperor's Reach and Emperor's Defense, which creates a powerful area of effect aura that can completely shut down opponents within it, blocking their shots and disabling their ability to make a play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video taught you how to use Emperor, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.